What's up YouTube? I'm Betsy from World Crypto Center. Today we are back with another video about blockchain and crypto world. Our legal notice before we start. This video does not contain any financial advice, so you should be investing with your own research and decisions. We know that it's still hard to get on the board to beginners in blockchain and crypto world because of the UI and UX designs and their complication and the insufficient support. And the crypto itself, it can seem intimidating and complicated. So, guess what? We have found the platform dedicated to solving this. Ladies and gentlemen, here it is, CryptoUnity. CryptoUnity wishes to advance knowledge about cryptocurrencies and the crypto industry as a whole. So, they think that more people can engage in trading in this way. They are ensuring that the user's cash is always kept secure and aim to enhance the user experience and introduce cryptocurrency to beginners. It's the very thing that a beginner could ever want: easy way to understand and safety, isn't it? So, how do they solve this problem? Let's take a look. Their application is like a hero. The app's UI and UX design is focusing on simplicity, education, and support. So this means you have a whole package on this journey. Easy to use interface, many educational resources, and support to navigate the exchange. And the most curious subject to the new entrants in the crypto world, of course, security. For this wonder, they are implementing an independent custodian. By doing this, you don't have to be afraid of the risks and challenges that the company may face. They are not holding the user's funds. Honestly, I see. They picked the right slogan. Start simple, stay secure. Then, let's let their roadmap take us on a journey about them. If you look deeper, you will see better. They are done with submitting documentation for obtaining license and whitelisting. And here it is. They are launching CryptoUnity workshops. Let's take a close look. They have a lots of workshops where you can get familiar with this business. Some of them are the basics of cryptocurrency, storing cryptocurrencies, exchanges, safety, initial offerings, and the basics of the blockchain. Really, they provide all the important information to start. And then they will be listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, which also helps us to see their professionality. And the big fish, worldwide presale. First of all, make yourself familiar to the CUT word. It's their token's name. Cute, right? They are at the fourth phase at the presale, and it will continue until May 22. And it is important that they have limited supply of tokens. It is the greatest chance if you get participate in the presale, you can be a part of CryptoUnity community. It's clear that being on this board will get many opportunities. With getting some cuts, you can take the advantages of airdrops and giveaways as a member. Like I said, presale is the best chance to entering this world with whole package security. Plus, staking will be available soon. For this, you can simply click on the Buy Now button. You can register with your email and reference is not required. It makes sense for the beginners. See, they are honest in their claim to support beginners. I like that. Okay, then, let's watch their video about the presale. Good, right? You can find the other videos about them on their YouTube channels. Link in the description. Yes, then they will upgrade the workshop I've been told about. And the exchange and UI and UX developments are always on the table. At Q2, They have exclusive airdrops, which you can send your wallets as an active member of the blockchain community for free or in return of a small service, such as retweeting a post sent by the company. Easy peasy, right? And I want to talk about their cold wallet. CryptoUnity is developing a 3FA, I mean 3-factor authenticated cold wallet, which means it requires identity confirming credentials from 3 different authentication factors. Also, they have NFC technology. I mean near field communication, which covers the authentication process of crypto transactions through a smartphone. I think with their cold wallet development and its details, they proved their slogan once more. They also have many worldwide partnerships like Lenovo. We are all aware of the credits given by such partnerships, aren't we? And let me tell this, these logos are huge. If you see them, you can be sure about their reliability. Also, you can find a lot of useful informations about their services on their white paper. For example, their Launchpad IEO process. With this, projects can suggest themselves to get listed on their Launchpad. It's a great starting point view for new projects. And also, they have their traveling exchange office. It's the physical exchange office that implements all services of the platform. You can sign up for educational seminars and get individual consulting about your portfolio management, day or night, doesn't matter. To be honest, I wish they were here when I was a beginner. And here you can check everything about their token. They have very informative and fun video about cuts. And let's get to know about the team, offering many advantages with absolute security. I wonder about them. Like I guessed, they are young and passionate. The team is consisting of 15 people with different backgrounds. And while undergoing a due diligence audit with Certec, the team also received the KYC Golden Badge, demonstrating a high level of transparency and trust. And yes, this is important, but let me tell you, my favorite thing is about the team is that they emphasize the human aspect of technology. A beginner's first wish is to understand, and they care about them. For getting on this board, I mean CryptoUnity, you shouldn't forget to get the app. It's not just focused on user experience, it has quite a beginner-friendly interface. You can simply click on Apply for access and submit. Yep, it seems like too many achievements for just a 2-year project. Here, as you can see on the screen, you can check the latest news about them. They are very active on the field. In 2022, they have participated in many conferences like TMRW, NFT, Soundgarden, and Blockchain Expos. And this year, in 2023, they were like a rock star at the Blockchain Economy Conference in London. And of course, you should follow their social media accounts. They have a great community on Twitter. They also have interesting and funny posts about the blockchain and crypto world. I really like that they did justice for their slogan. So, if this video is just for you, leave a like. If our content appeals to you, get subscribed and hit that bell below. And of course, we are dying to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment as well. This is Betsy, and we will see you on the next one.